Salut mes amis, bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Okay then, today we're going to learn from numbers 10 to 20 in French. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les nombres de 10 à 20 en français. Are you ready? Es-tu prêt? Okay then, let's go. Allons-y. Okay then, écoutez attentivement. Listen carefully. 10, this, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, très bien. 13, 13, 13, and 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, d'accord, and 17, 17, 17, 10 plus 7. This plus 7 together 17 and 18, 18, 18, 10 plus 8. This plus 8, 18, 19, 19, 19, 10 plus 9. This plus 9, 19, très bien. And the final one, 20. It's 1, 1. Okay then, now we're going to count them together. Écoutez bien et répétez après moi. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Très bien. Pratiquez bien. Practice well. And one more thing. Remember that these are the hardest numbers in French, from 10 to 20 in French. And they are very important. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Okay. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Bisous bisous.